My name is Henry, and I work as a analytics market manager for an IT services company specializing in experience management studies. I give a 4 out of 5 to XLSTAT. So before using XLSTATs, we were very much involved with Excel itself, using it to the extreme. And we selected XLSTAT because we needed additional advanced statistical functions to perform the task on our data from experience management studies. Okay, we used XLSTAT because it was very compatible with Excel and all of our data was in Excel. We also found it very easy to use, and the support was very appreciated with good tutorials and a wealth of videos and PDF documents covering the various use cases. The first project we started on XLSTATs was a bit of a pain because we were not trained enough on the parameterization, on the configuration of the functions. But after a while, we mastered the various functionalities and the second project went very smoothly. What we learned from using XLSTAT is that you really needed to know a lot about your data and the structure of your data. Once you've covered that piece, you had to select the right modeling functions or statistical functions and use them appropriately to develop the solution for your data analysis project.